Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up, What Pop? It's your girl Emiliana Designs, and today I am doing the one and only, the very popular Poppin' That challenge in the art community with digital illustrations, you know what it. And that is the Toon Me challenge. And so I've chosen this picture here, and basically with the Toon Me challenge, you will create a line doing half of yourself and you're drawing half of yourself. So half of yourself is the picture, half of yourself is the drawing. So besides me drawing the line to split the image, I am now going to start. I just started from the bottom, really. So I started to create my shirt with none other than Ariana Grande. If you're an Ariana Grande fan, put a heart in the comment section below and type just one of her song names, okay? If you love Ariana Grande as much as I do. So the way that I designed this Toon Me challenge is basically, I feel like it's color blocking in a way. I know there has to be a more technical term in the art community for this thing, but it's kind of just like you grasp the colors of what you see and you just leave it as how it is. So you guys will actually see me do that with my face within this Toon Me challenge as well. I feel like it gives me not quite the Simpson vibes, but it definitely gives me cartoon vibes, okay? So if you guys know the technical term for it, leave it in the comment section below. So in this next clip, I am fixing the colors in between because sometimes the color drop doesn't get everything. So I'm making sure I'm getting, around the edges and things of that nature. So now I have clicked the check mark in that layer just to see my design without my own image in the background, to zoom in on it. And then I'm just gonna clean this up as well. I've never been so caught up, still so into eyes. I never thought I'd be here, should've turned the dice. Oh, let's see honest, baby, this is so unusual. Oh, and I'm not tempted, baby, even if they're beautiful. I used to be cautious, a little too reckless. Now all my emotions are all 'cause of you. I ain't even think of leaving sometimes. I ain't even think of letting go. I ain't never thought of going nowhere. I don't even see it down the road. 'Cause we've collected moments, tattoos on my mind. Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah, baby. Not even sunshine. Alright, y'all, I didn't even know what to say during this voiceover. So y'all can see what I was doing. But yeah, I love that Ariana Grande. Alright, y'all, so here is the cartoon portion I was saying, where like you take the different tones in your face and then you make certain sections different tones in your face, different like blocks in your face, just like I did for the Ariana part. So here I went ahead and did my face. I didn't really record that part, But now I'm about to go ahead and do my hair, and I had to figure out like what brush I was going to use for my hair, because Haze Long, no, not Haze Long, sorry, Sandra, she updated her brushes for her hair brushes, and that was because I already have it down there, but up at the top is the updated brushes that she sent people who ever like purchased brushes from her. She updated them, and then I got them for free. I was like, oh sniggy, like that was like the highlight of my day. I was like, oh my god, thank you, like ooh. But anywho, y'all, I was trying to test that out, but I really wanted like a wavy curly, and she doesn't really have like a wavy curly brush. So I kind of just tested that out, and then I finally came up with something. Hey you guys, so I didn't individually screen record every single process. So here is the time lapse video for you guys. I want to be able to create a Procreate series, but I'd love for you guys to leave a comment on any questions you may have about getting started in Procreate, if you're stuck on a certain thing, or if something isn't working as you're working on your project. Please comment that below. I would love to make uploads about that. I also do YouTube intros, YouTube thumbnails, and YouTube banners. I'll leave my Instagram below, as well as my website, for you guys to order your designs and pick up a line by design on Amazon. I see you on my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Design.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.